Acting DGP Jongjala Mekhlea Kong Aitisha Nongrang Kalong Bakipulit Kila Rejistar Bun Tylli ki case hakabile bat kajinglap Yakitrok ki Jingkhaii Dewiong Beain. Nalokanil ang rubak dan Shibun ki ijahar yakabal George Kipulit bana kalyang Kipulit kila pek ngor bha kamla batha da sarkar khang man telakam lai ban khanglat yakunu ki Jingkhaii Dewiong Beain ki badan hakajalla.
Police has been on this issue of illegal mining, the movement of illegal movement of coal and of coal transportation. We've had the NGT, monitoring what our responsibilities, etc. A number of cases have been registered by the police, both for mining as well as transportation of coal. In fact, if you look at the number of cases, I would say about 90% of the cases that have been registered in the state of Meghalaya for illegal mining and for illegal transportation of coal has been from the police, other initiative by police.